Looking to make your CapCut PC videos smaller without sacrificing crisp visuals? You're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the best way to compress video projects using CapCut for desktop, so your files are much easier to share, store, or upload without that frustrating drop in quality. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to balance sharpness and size for professional results. Let's dive right in. First, after you've finished editing your video, it's time to move to the export stage. You'll find the export button right up at the top corner of the CapCut window. Give that a click, and this opens up the export settings panel. This is where the magic happens for compression. Exporting isn't just about finishing the edit. It's the moment when you set how your video will live outside CapCut, so take your time here. Once you're inside the export settings, pay close attention to the resolution option. By default, you might see it set to 4K or sometimes higher than you actually need. Choosing a lower resolution like 1080p is a powerful way to decrease your video's file size dramatically without a noticeable quality drop, especially if your audience watches on a phone or regular monitor. Think of resolution like the size of a photograph. Smaller sizes need less space, but still look sharp, especially if you don't stretch them. So unless you specifically need ultra-high resolution, 1080p is almost always a safe bet. Now let's talk about bitrate. Bitrate is a big factor in both the clarity and the size of your video files. In CapCut, you'll see a few options like recommended or higher. For most projects, recommended strikes the right balance. You're not overloading the file size and your visuals stay clean, whether it's a vlog or a screen recording. But if you're working with really detailed footage or you know your viewers care about perfect clarity, you can bump it up to higher. Just remember, higher bitrate means a bigger file. Don't be afraid to experiment a little. CapCut gives you a preview of the estimated file size right here, so you can tweak until it feels right. Next, you'll want to select your codec and your frame rate. For codec, H.264 is usually the best choice. It's widely compatible, compresses efficiently, and maintains strong quality. This is the standard for web uploads, social media, and most playback devices, so it's a very safe option. As for frame rate, 30 frames per second is a great sweet spot between fluid motion and manageable file size. If you've filmed in a higher frame rate for slow motion or cinematic looks, you can keep it, but for most standard content, 30 FPS does the job while compressing efficiently. If you're looking to save a little time, CapCut offers a fast exporting toggle under quality settings. This feature speeds up the process while still applying solid compression settings. It's handy when you need to get your video out quickly, maybe for a first draft or just sharing with your team. Don't worry, you're not sacrificing too much here. It just skips a few of the slower rendering steps. If you're ever in doubt, you can always try fast exporting for one version and compare it to a regular export later. Once you've dialed in all these settings, you're ready for the final step. Just click that export button once more. CapCut will start compressing and exporting your video, and this process might take a couple of minutes depending on the length and complexity. If your computer's working hard, just let it run. When it's done, your file will be much easier to manage, send, or upload wherever you need. And that's it. Now you know how to expertly compress videos on CapCut PC without sacrificing the quality your audience expects. If you found this guide useful, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another video editing tip you want to see. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.